Hey there everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to play MOV files on Windows 11. So let's get started. As you can see, here is the file. This is the MOV file. If you right click on your mouse and go to the properties, then as you can see, this is a MOV file. So you can open it up with the default media player. So for that you can right click on your mouse, go with the open with, and you can open with media player. But if you open with the media player, sometimes it's like, as you can see, the video is not properly playing. It is being grayed out. All right, so how we can fix that? To fix this issue, what you can do, simply go to any of the browser of your likings like this, and then from here you need to search for VLC player, download. You can download these, go to the first website and simply download and install the VLC player. All right, then also you can download the pod player, download. So this is another player that you can download, which uses less RAM or less power to play MOV files. So you can download this one too. So after downloading one of those player, you can simply right click on a mouse, go with the open with, and simply select any of the player. So for my case, I have downloaded the VLC player, so I will open that up with that. So as you can see, now the video is playing correctly, so you can see that. So that's how you can simply play MOV file on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.